to show you how to do oat groats in the Instapot. If you're still stuck eating the breakfast that comes in a cardboard packet, please watch on because this is a life changer. First I'm going to show you how to cook it and then stick around and I'll tell you why it's good for you. I buy my oat groats online because they're not easily available in store in the UK. Before cooking them, you need to pre-soak them for at least 8 hours. I usually do it first thing in the morning, so then I can cook it in the evening, so that I can have it ready for the following morning's breakfast. I'm going to put 2 cups of oat groats in a bowl and then cover it with some water. Cover it with a plate and let it soak for at least 8 hours. Next, drain them and give them a good rinse. Oats are the best type of breakfast that you can have, and oat groats is the unprocessed oats, which is the best version of oats that you can have. Pop them into Instapot and add water. You will need 2 cups of water per 1 cup of dry oats. The size of your cup doesn't matter. It's all about proportion, so it's 1 cup of oats to 2 cups of water. I'm doing 2 cups of oats in 4 cups of water. Pop the lid on and cook it at high pressure for 25 minutes. I usually just leave it overnight, so it's all ready for me in the morning. This portion size will actually last me a whole week, so I pop it into airtight container and then pop it into the fridge, where it will keep for at least a week. Oat groats are good for your heart, good for the weight loss, may prevent breast cancer, controls your blood sugar levels, improve digestions, and are generally very high in nutrients and proteins. So basically, they're really good for you. They do have a unique taste that you might need to get used to. But you know what? For the health benefits that they provide, it's definitely worth giving it a try. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please join me in the next one when I will show you how I'm actually eating the oat groats. Thanks for watching!